Welcome back to the June vlog on the channel. Got my Toyota hat on, and let's get right into it, guys. Let's go.
Ciao, YouTube. Today we're in Milan. That shot was not planned, by the way. That girl was kind of drunk and she just like walked in the frame and like tried to interrupt it, but it ended up looking super cool, so joke's on her. It's on YouTube now. Yo, chat, you guys have to help me. I'm literally in the coolest cinematic hotel room right now and I have no idea what to film, but I need to film something in here. I just have like really bad creative block, but this place is like, it's legit, so we need to film something. And you're gonna help me today. And this thing, I don't even know why they would make a cabinet like this. And look, it's full of apples, but it's cool. We're using it. And then we got the sweet mirror along the wall. Ciao. And then look at this. Cool bathroom. We got this light, another mirror, and then this frosted glass shower I think is so cinematic. It's like rounded out here in the middle of the room. We have got to use this place, but I don't know what for, so let's go. Let's discuss the lighting real quick. We have these cool lights that are very like 3200 kelvins, very, very yellow lights. Then we got the sun, but detail is we got blackout curtains, so we can shoot nighttime scenes in here, and I think that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot the scene where I kind of come into the door back there, and then I take a shower and drink some water, and it's just gonna be kind of a moody nighttime hotel scene. We'll find some cool music for it and make it look great. One would hope. I have an idea for another shot, so let's try it. It might turn out horrible, but in the movies, sometimes they fall backward onto the bed and the camera either comes with them or falls alongside them. We're gonna try a couple different things and see how that looks. We got pocket tripod, shout out mom. Let's build this thing real quick. Boom, just like that. Now we can put our phone in here and film this crazy scene. So I set the camera up here, kind of like this on the tripod. That might be our shot. And now we're gonna shoot it again, just like this, but the camera will not be coming with me. Oh. I'm really tired. That might be our shot. I don't know, that one might not have worked as well. We were able to create some shots that maybe weren't the best, but at least were fun, helped me learn, grow, and become better, and hopefully you along the way. So thanks for coming with me and helping me push through the creative block today. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.